Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we will explore the depths of quantum computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 27th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May 2025, our system has ranked quantum computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.61. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 104.86% since we initially identified quantum computing as a buy candidate 35 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further gains are likely within this trend. The analysis of the past 3 months suggests a potential change of 136.83% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 99.41% to 214.07%. In a longer-term perspective, our evaluation for the next 12 months reveals a projected change of 77.02%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may fluctuate between negative 12.02% and 239.43% over the upcoming year. This would translate to a future price estimated between $15.21 and $58.69. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price on Friday, moving between $16.39 and $18.36. The Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price gained 2.98% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 27th of June, 2025, rising from $16.79 to $17.29. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 12.02%, with a day low at $16.39 and a day high of $18.36. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.26% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 32 million more shares were traded than the day before, with 45 million shares bought and sold for approximately $781,075,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $27.15, while the lowest price was 35.5 cents. Currently, the price is 36.32%, or $9.86, below the 52-week high of $27.15, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Quantum Computing Inc., trading under the symbol QUBT, has experienced notable activity recently, which may significantly affect its stock price in both the short and long term. On June 24th, the company announced the completion of a private placement, raising $200 million through the sale of 14 million shares at $14.25 each. This considerable influx of capital brings QUBT's total cash position to over $350 million, enhancing its financial stability and providing resources for future growth initiatives. The sector as a whole is currently volatile, as demonstrated by QUBT's fluctuating stock prices, including a recent drop exceeding 10%. Despite these variations, analysts are highlighting QUBT as one of the foremost quantum computing stocks, alongside competitors like IonQ and D-Wave, indicating potential for breakout momentum. Furthermore, QUBT is being featured in multiple articles as a stock to buy for under $100, drawing the attention of retail investors. On the other hand, the company faces scrutiny from a shareholder rights firm investigating potential fiduciary breaches by its board, a situation that could add uncertainty regarding investor confidence. Nevertheless, positive indicators such as new partnerships, technological advancements in quantum computing, and increasing media coverage could ultimately enhance QUBT's reputation and stock performance over time. In summary, While QUBT is navigating both challenges and opportunities, the combination of significant capital raising, industry recognition, and ongoing innovations positions it for potential growth, though risks remain in this dynamic sector. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, it was reported that Ascendiant assigned QUBT a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned quantum computing stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. The stock of QUBT Inc. currently indicates a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience upward movement, it will encounter resistance near $17.69, as indicated by the short-term moving average. Conversely, if the stock declines, it is likely to find support around $13.85 from the long-term average. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The rising volume, in tandem with the price increase, is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, and the stock has since fallen by 18.52%. A further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 173 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 36 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average points to a sell signal from 42 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 26 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $15.13 and $13.31. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, QUBT Inc. finds support just below today's level at $15.13. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $13.31 and $13. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day and has a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.97 between its high and low, representing a change of 12.02%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 10.17%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This crucial measure evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for quantum computing is at $17.51. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, This could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, quantum computing encounters its first support level at $15.13. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Christopher Bemler, who bought and sold 351,152 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 23.125. In total, insiders purchased 59,270,819 shares and sold 4,162,921 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.29, reflecting a decrease of 5.80%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally favorable trend, suggest that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity. There's a reasonable chance for Quantum Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 30th of June, we anticipate that quantum computing will open higher by approximately 5 cents and begin trading at $17.34. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.